What's going on today, guys? Currently, Ethereum is sitting at 1,600. Now, before we get into this, we're going to take a look over here at the news. The EU now is allowing banks to hold 2% of all of their capital in Bitcoin and crypto. This is huge. The more adoption that we can get into crypto, the more exposure, the more mainstream media covers this type of stuff. Basically, the more exposure we get into the crypto market, a higher prices can go. So currently, all of crypto is sitting at just over $1 trillion market cap, as you can see here on this global currency chart. So now that we got this information out of the way, I want to take a look here at the charts. So currently, we're looking at the 4-hourly chart, and we are noticing a bit of a pattern here. Now, I don't expect us to break out just yet. I want to see us trade sideways a little bit longer to really hold this momentum that we have going here. Because we just had a huge bull run this past week, and we want to make sure that we don't come crashing all the way down, because that would absolutely get us nowhere. And then we would be right back here where we were just a few months ago, where we tried to break out here, 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 and of course when we hit all-time highs. But yeah, now we're all the way down here, looking to start to make we're looking to see if we can start a bull market once again. Now, we don't know exactly what's to come in the future, because there's a lot of things that we still have to figure out, like inflation, CPI numbers, stuff that the Fed has to release, usually once a month. So we're going to have to wait a little bit to see where this goes. But as far as the short term goes, I am looking for a little bit of a triangle pattern here. We want to break out of this here, and we want to get past this 17.2 mark. As I said in my previous video, the 17.2 mark is a very big volume resistance. If we don't get past that, it's likely that we will come down to either the 20-day EMA or maybe even come crashing all the way down to the 120-day moving average. So now, if we did that, that would be great. If we can crash down here and then hold at this $1,300 mark, that wouldn't be the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is we come crashing down and we make newer lows right here on this $1,000, $1,100 mark right here. Now we wanna make sure that we stay above this line. This is like the oh shit line. We don't want to come crashing down below that. Now, as far as any other news goes, there's not a whole lot going on, and that's about it for today, guys. So I just want to continue to watch this play out here. I'm gonna pull up the 4-hourly chart so you can get a better idea of what I'm looking at here. Right here, we're kind of trading in this little triangle pattern, and we want to make sure that we are using this as a support. Now, if you see here, we made higher lows twice. So right here, when it dipped down, it did not dip down to a previous low right here, so that's amazing. We went back up, dipped down, and we stayed above this low, so that's great news. We want to see this push up, though. We want to break out to make a new higher high from right here. But other than that, there's not a whole lot going on. I mean, we can check the Bitcoin, same thing, not a whole lot. But of course, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I will keep making updates as we progress throughout the week. And assuming that everything goes well, I think this week we will see a big move in the market. Now, which direction that'll be, God only knows. So we just gotta keep watching, and I'll keep you guys updated.